Welcome back to From My Grandma to Your Table. Today's recipe would be homemade fettuccine. You need 2 eggs, salt, olive oil, extra virgin, flour, and I'm using this machine that is an Emeril Lagasse machine. We will need for 2 batches of fettuccine, we need 2 cups and a half of flour. Then we can add 1 teaspoon of salt. In the liquid container, this one, we're going to add 2 eggs, so we break down the eggs. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. And we're going to mix the eggs and the oil with a tiny fork till the consistency is perfectly mixed. And then we will have to add some water, a total of 150 milliliters for the 2 batches of flour. So we have to reach the level that says 2 batches of flour. We mix again, and then we're going to put the lid on top of the machine. We're going to turn on the machine and select the program for 2 batches of fettuccine. As you can see on the lid, there is a spot that has holes where you have to drop all the mix with the eggs, oil, and water. So it will slowly distribute the liquid mix inside the flour. When the machine is ready, it starts to push outside the dog with the fettuccine shape. I always cut the first 2 inches just because they are too dry, and after that I will have a perfect lasagna. Look at that. You can cut the length that you prefer. I like 5 inches fettuccine. Those are perfect for the plate. They cook in boiling water with salt and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil inside for 3 to 7 minutes, and depends on how al dente you like this pasta. And you can add the sauce that you prefer. Once that I finish all my flour in the machine and I have all my fettuccine, I'll be able to put them in a large plate or in a big bowl, and I have to put some flour so they don't stuck together. And here we go.